Welcome guys to another video. In today's video I want to show you how you can make your first $100 doing freelancing. So maybe you are a graphic designer, or you are a writer, or maybe you're a web designer, or whatever you can do as a service to people. There is a site online where you can actually make money in dollars irrespective of wherever you are in the world. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Awajima Isioto, and on this channel we talk about how you can make money online and grow your business. So to make your first $100 online, it is very open to anybody. Now, I did not say it is very easy. It is very open. What that means is that anybody who knows how to browse, anybody who knows how to surf the internet, anybody who has a skill that can earn money can actually come online and earn your first $100 online as a freelancer. So quickly, before we get in, just like this video and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you to a very popular site that is known as Fiverr.com. So I'll come here now. On your screen right now, on the screen right now, you're seeing Fiverr.com. So this is actually a freelancing site. Just in case you don't know, this is a freelancing site where anybody can come and set up your gig and start making money online. Although it is not easy to make money here because there's a lot of competition here. However, it is a very good way to start because you don't need certificates, you don't need past experience. As long as you're good with whatever you can do, then you can make money on this site. Actually, it was on this site where I made my first $100. All right, so let's just look at what this site offers. You can see here there is a place for programming and tech. There's a place for graphic designers. There's a place for digital marketers. There's a job for writing and translation, or video and animation, or even AI service. And there are millions of people on this site. All right, so if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing more details about everything going on this site. See here, it says access a pool of top talent across 700 categories. Are you seeing? Meaning that there's jobs for you here if you can click a gig. So how do you come here? You come here and join. You click on join, or you go up and you sign up, right, by clicking on join. So let's just search for maybe a particular service. Now, if you want to make money here, at least you need to first sign up and then set up a gig on this site. All right, so you come here. Let's just search for a service. Let's search for web design service. Let's search for web design service. I just want you to see what people are charging on this site. Can you see? For this particular gig, this person says, I will create WordPress website design and website redesign. So this other person is charging $80. This other person is charging $375. So if you keep scrolling down, you see that people are charging at least $80 to $100 for web design jobs. So if you're a web designer, you can actually come here and set up your gig and make money here on this site. So even if you're not a web designer, there are different jobs for you here. Now let me shock you. A job as simple as removing backgrounds from images can get you paid on this site. All right, so let's just check. Remove background. Remove. Okay, I think there's, let me just go and search it again. Let me search it again. Just follow me. Just follow me. So I'll type remove. So this site is for both people who want to employ and people who have jobs. I mean, people who have skills looking for jobs. All right, especially freelancing, job. So this is open to anybody from anywhere in the world. All right, so let's just look for this remove background. So most times the jobs, for simple jobs, it starts from $5. All right, but if you have a skill like web development, web design, copywriting, content creation, you can actually charge from $100 upward. Are you getting it now? So I don't know what is wrong with my service, but okay, let's search that again. Remove background. Let's search it again. Let's hope that this works very fast. Okay, I think there's a problem with my network. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this graphic and design. Click on it. Let's see if this is going to open. Okay, good. It's going to open. So good, you can see it has opened. So there are different aspects of design. Now some of the aspects are minimalist logo. You can do illustrations here. You can even do web design. If you scroll, you can do architecture and interior design. You can become you can work as an AI artist here. You can edit images, and if you open each of these, you're going to see different categories that you have all under graphic design. You can see t-shirt and merchandise, you can see industrial product and design, and so many aspects. All right, so if you go down, you can see a lot of things you can be doing on this site. So on this site, you can actually make your first $100 without experience. As a freelancer, you can actually make your first $100 as a freelancer on this site. So this is where I'm going to stop for this video. If you want me to make more videos about freelancing, just go to the link in the description and drop a comment for me. And if you want to really learn how to land a job, especially from foreigners, then go to the link in the description. I will drop a link to a freelancing program that will teach you how you can go from step by step to start landing foreign jobs and earning in dollars. All right, that is where I'm going to stop. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.